Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will continue my discussion about some famous colleges of West Bengal. If you missed previous videos of this discussion, click on the I button to get the list and watch one by one. Today's discussion will be about Basanti Devi College in Kolkata. Basanti Devi College, named after Basanti Devi ji, an Indian independence activist during the British rule in India, was the first government-sponsored college for women in Kolkata to be founded by the government of West Bengal in 1959. A renowned freedom fighter, Basanti Devi, the wife of Sri Chittaranjan Das, was the first Indian lady to be imprisoned under British rule for her involvement in the Indian freedom struggle, whereas Sri Chittaranjan Das was the political mentor of Subhash Chandra Bose. The college is located in the junction of urban and the rural conglomerate. Basanti Devi College caters the women students for both the localities. A large group of them are students of the college are also from backward classes, minority communities, and some are also from below poverty line. There is provision for admitting women with special needs. Basanti Devi College, Kolkata offers the opportunity of higher education for all the women, including the women with special needs. The college, along with the Calcutta University stipulated academic course and curriculum, the college also offers scope for the empowerment of girl students by helping them to develop their self-help skills, self-reliance and independence. The college is affiliated to University of Calcutta and is accredited with Grade B by the NAAC. Basanti Devi College offers 2 undergraduate and 1 postgraduate program for students. Candidate applying for Basanti Devi College has the choice to select a combination for arts and science. In the arts section, available subjects are Bengali, Sanskrit, history, economics, human rights, political science, philosophy, education, psychology, English and women studies. In the science section, available subjects are physics, mathematics, chemistry, computer science, economics and statistics. This college also offers MA on English and political science. So now let's go through this college's eligibility criteria. For honors courses, general candidates need 45% in subject or allied subject, 50% in aggregate and pass in all the subjects. For SC and ST students, 40% in subject or allied subject, 40% in aggregate and passing marks in all the subjects. For general courses, passing mark in all subjects is mandatory. The total sum will be calculated as per the total of best of 4 subjects. Marks of environmental studies or environmental education will not be calculated. Also, if the subject environmental science has studied as an elective subject of 100 marks, it would be taken for determining the aggregate marks. Candidates passing from CBSE through Patrachar Vidyalaya are not eligible to seek admission as per the college norms. Some notable alumni of this college are singer Lopamudra Mitra and actress Tanushree Chakraborty. Basanti Devi College has a beautiful garden decorated beautifully and maintained by IQAC and NSS. This college also has a self-defense program under Kolkata Police, which is known as the Sukanya project. Every year, this college organizes annual sports, cultural programs, and enrichment programs for both the students and the faculty members. This college has several missions, such as to provide quality education to girl students irrespective caste, creed, religion and economic status, to equip and empower students with relevant knowledge, competence and creativity to face global challenges, to develop a responsible and sensitive youth force who have social commitments towards the larger section of the society, to develop a commitment to the preservation of environment with a goal towards sustainable development. Contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of this college is available in this video's description. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.